Introducing the 2018 Kia Picanto 3 in sleek silver with just 14,635 miles on the clock. This automatic hatchback boasts a 1.25L engine, delivering a smooth and efficient ride. Loaded with top-tier features like Bluetooth, cruise control, and satellite navigation, this car is perfect for any journey. With safety in mind, it offers ABS, multiple airbags, and anti-collision system. Plus, enjoy luxury touches such as leather trim and automatic hazard lights. With a full health check, manufacturer service, and warranty, you can trust this Picanto for years to come. Don't miss out. Call us or visit kenbrownmotors.co.uk for more details. Drive away in style today.